Welcome back. My name is Maxim from Momoyoga, and today I'll be going through how you can add a teacher to your Momoyoga environment. Let's start by heading to our Momoyoga environment and by clicking on Teachers in the left menu bar. When we come here, we'll be able to see all the different teachers, and we'll be able to add a teacher by clicking on the Add Teacher button here. And then we are able to fill in the details such as the teacher's first, last name, their email address, and a phone number. And I would stress and highly recommend to add a picture to your teacher profile, because your yogis are able to see this profile when they want to book a class which is hosted by this specific teacher. And if we go a little bit down, this is one of the most important parts of setting up a teacher role, because the teachers can have a certain amount of access depending on the access they get. So we have a guest access, limited access, extended access, and full access. And if we click on the Learn More here, we'll be transported to the Help Center, where you can get more information about what each of these roles do. And I would highly recommend you go through this to sort of determine what kind of access you want to give the teacher who works within your studio. Then a little bit more down, we can fill in some information about the teacher, which will also be displayed on their profile when people are searching for classes. And when the class is hosted by this teacher, they'll be able to see this information if they click on their profile. And then lastly, we can fill in their teacher training hours, their Instagram. And when we create this account, we can send a welcome email to the teacher. And that's everything regarding setting up a teacher profile in Momoyoga. And that was it for this tutorial. We hope you found it useful. Let us know what you think. And if you want to know more about Momoyoga, or if you have any other question, you can visit our help center. And if you enjoyed this video, we have many more videos like this covering a lot of different topics.